How to implement Commercio.network's legally binding transactions even if you're not sure how to protect your rights. Welcome to Commercio Network. In an increasingly digital world, businesses have been looking for innovative ways to improve their daily operations and conduct secure transactions. One such solution comes from Commercio.network, a blockchain-based platform that enables legally binding transactions. In this tutorial, we will delve into the intricacies of Commercio.network and explore how to effectively utilize its features to conduct legally binding transactions. Commercio.network is a powerful blockchain that allows businesses to exchange sensitive documents and create legally binding transactions securely. It leverages the power of blockchain technology to guarantee the authenticity, confidentiality, and non-repudiation of electronic transactions. This is achieved through the use of digital signatures and encryption, ensuring that all parties involved are confident in the validity of the transactions. To start using Commercio.network, businesses must first create an identity on the platform. This involves generating a unique public and private key pair that serves as your digital identity. The public key is visible to others, while the private key must be kept secret. Once the identity is set up, businesses can securely share documents with their trading partners. The platform supports various document formats, including PDF, Word, Excel, and more. The documents are encrypted with the recipient's public key, ensuring that only the intended recipient can decrypt and access the content. When a document is shared, the sender can request that the recipient sign it digitally to create a legally binding transaction. This is done using the recipient's private key, which generates a unique digital signature. Once the document is signed, it cannot be tampered with or altered, and the signature proves the identity of the signer. Commercio.network places a strong emphasis on the security and privacy of its users. All data shared on the platform is encrypted end-to-end, ensuring that only the intended parties can access it. Moreover, since the platform is built on the Cosmos SDK, it benefits from the inherent security features of blockchain technology. There are numerous use cases for Commercio.network's legally binding transactions, including contract signing. Businesses can leverage Commercio.network to sign and exchange contracts securely, ensuring that all parties are aware of their obligations and responsibilities.